Hello, little learners. Welcome to Word World. Have you ever thought about how all our words fit together? Well, it's kind of like playing with building blocks. And today, you and I are going on an adventure to become master word builders. So, what do you say? Are you ready to play with all these colorful word bricks? We're going to build some really cool sentences together. It's going to be so much fun. You know, there's a secret set of rules that helps all our words work together perfectly. It's called grammar. Think of it like this. Grammar is the magic glue that holds our word bricks together, so we can build amazing things that make sense to everyone.
Okay, let's dive into this. Our very first building block is what I like to call a naming word. The grown-up word for it is a noun. Let's see what these are all about. So, a noun is just a naming word. It gives a name to, well, everything. It can be a person, like a friend or a teacher. It can be a place, like the park or your house. It can be an animal, like a cat or a little fish. And it can be a thing, like a toy car or a yummy banana. Let's try saying some of these nouns together. Can you say girl? Great job. How about this one? Dog. Awesome. Now for a big one. School. And a fun one. Ball. You're a natural at this.
Wow, that was amazing. Now that we have our naming words, let's make them do something. It's time for the super exciting action words. These are called verbs. A verb is a doing word. It's all about action. It tells us what's happening in the sentence. Verbs are what make our stories jump and run and sing. They bring all the excitement. Let's try some of these action words. Can you pretend to run? Okay, now jump. Let's jump up and down. Jump, jump, jump. Whoa! Okay, how about we pretend to eat? Delicious. And last one, read. Let's open up a pretend book and read. Fantastic! Okay, team, we have our naming words, our nouns, and our action words, our verbs. But you know what would make our sentences even better? Some color, some sparkle. It's time for the describing words, which are called adjectives. Adjectives are like magic words that tell us more about our nouns. They're describing words. They tell us what color something is, how big it is, or how it feels. They help us paint a really clear picture in our minds. Check this out. It's not just any ball, it's a big ball. And it's not just any apple, it's a bright red apple. And look, this isn't just any child, it's a happy child. See? Adjectives add all the fun details. All right, word builders, this is it. We have all our pieces. We've got nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Now it's time to put them all together and build our very own sentence. Are you ready? Okay, building a sentence is super easy. There's a simple two-step recipe. First, you start with a noun. That tells us who or what the sentence is about. Then you add a verb, which tells us what they're doing. So let's give it a try. For step one, we need a noun. Let's pick the dog. Perfect. So we know our sentence is about a dog. But what is the dog doing? We need a verb. The dog runs. We did it. We put a noun and a verb together and we made a whole sentence. How cool is that? Let's say it together, out loud. The dog runs. Awesome! You are doing so great. I think you're ready for a challenge. Let's try to build an even better sentence, a super sentence. And this time, we're going to add one of our magic describing words, an adjective. Okay, here we go. We're starting with our noun, which is child, but we added a describing word to it. What kind of child is it? It's a happy child. Great start. Now, what do you think the happy child is doing? The happy child eats. Look at that. We made a fantastic sentence with a noun, a verb, and an adjective. It's so much more descriptive. Let's say the whole thing together. The happy child eats. You are a sentence-building superstar. Wow, your brain has been working so hard today. So, I think it's time to play a little game to see what you've learned. Get ready for the grammar game. All right, here is your question. Look at these three words. Which word is a verb? And remember, a verb is an action word. Are you ready? The words are dog, run, or apple. Which one is something you can do? Did you get it? The answer is run. That's right. Run is the action word. Dog and apple are nouns, they're things, but run is something you do. You are so smart. Awesome job. You were so amazing today. Just remember, every single word you learn is a new building block you can use to build your big, wonderful ideas. So keep playing with words and keep building amazing sentences. You did a great job today. Bye-bye.